Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to comment on Instagram post with a photo. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram app and make sure you have logged in into your desired Instagram account from where you want to comment on a specific post. So once you found that post, click on the comment section. And here in the comment section, you can just add. Here you can see in the writing section there is in the right corner there is an option. If you click on it, you can add your GIFs or avatar. And yeah, but there is currently no photo or image option to add, so all you need to do is just add a GIF or any avatar you want, and this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.